Have you seen these trendy AI headshots all over social media? Now you can create your own in seconds with FlexClip AI Headshot Generator. Simply choose your style and get professional headshots for work, business portraits, or social media avatars. All right, let's walk through the simple steps to create your own headshots. On the main page, you'll see 8 main categories, like professional, yearbook, old money, and more. For a classic look, let's select professional first. Select your gender. From there, you can customize your look, starting with your hair length and color. Pick your attire from professional suits to casual outfits. Style it your way. Then set the perfect background and ratio. You're in full control. Then upload your photo and make sure your photo meets the requirements, like being a single person, having no covered face, and a clear background. Click Generate and your headshots will be ready soon. From everyday casual looks to polished corporate portraits, FlexClip helps you generate stunning headshots in every style, effortlessly. Now let's see the other styles you can create. With 400 plus preset styles, FlexClip gives you endless options to try. Stop waiting. Discover your new look with FlexClip. Try it now at flexclip.com.